All right. Actually, one column, the way you call it, one year kamu, and the other one.
Iyaologi 1.
Iyaologi 1. Yes. We still get the 1 year kamu and Iyaologi 1.
Of Africa.
Yes, of Africa. Of the entire continent.
Yes, so.
Yes.
Yes.
It's either or, neither nor.
Shebi, yeah.
So it's either we're doing it or we're not.
I tell you. And when I talk to someone, we'll come back, we'll talk about what they do before you actually start and also the challenges where you actually face, and also the challenges where small businesses they actually face for inside Obodo, Nigeria. First of all, what they do before you start a Akamu business?
So before I start Akamu business, I've been to sell shoes and bags and clothes.
Okay, like you mentioned before.
Yeah, so every month I did Italy to go bring, you know.
Yeah, those are your Jebota days.
You know what I mean, but now I don't ride.
I think those kind of shoes you buy like 48,000.
That's cheap, my darling.
The dress.
You they hear? As I know.
80,000, 125,000 for dress.
Those kind of things, you know, but...
No wonder your friend tell you, say, then you come with this down to Akamu, like 1,000, 2,000.
Now I feel their pain.
so now, you see, where you don't carry us go back. When I tell you, say, when person they advise you, they advise you from in past, in present, and where they go.
Yeah.
So it's easy to just say, that friend will tell you, say, no tell Akamu, no do well. But now you understand where she's coming from.
Yes.
Right? Babe, Akamu. Wait, they said 600 naira.
Some people go to think, say, you sure say Jama never they get midlife crisis. Like, what is going on?
You understand? So now this example answers that we talk before. So they couldn't.
Fatom, as in, not if just place and say,
Then not understand how from, you know, the designer brands, and like I was saying, we know that people sell the copies. I'm not here to talk about that, but that's why I use the word authentic. So for anybody who understand, you can understand, say, okay, so really enough, there you from the con really clash, nothing if you hold you just end up for Akamu. Really, so...
Not true now.
Yes, now. So
at that point, you get any of your friends who actually put you in prayer?
I don't know, maybe they pray, but I don't know. And they probably say, me now, they pray, make the business of the Akamu overdo, you know, so... Yeah. I guess it will be a case of conflict of interest. But since I'm inside the matter, God get to answer my own prayer.
Yes.
As opposed to the person's own prayer, I guess.
So you guys closed down your shop and focus on Akamu? Because
as I've do, I'm small, and, you know, lots of research and trying to make it better. Not be so as it did, and not be so as start more. I started on that time, they pack them inside this Mr. Big's disposable takeaway pack. Just they put sticker on top of. That's how it takes that. So now one day, I go on supermarket to go, you know, look like so I want to supply them. The way they laugh me at my bowl, say, madam, go and repackage this thing, come back. So, you know, so I start to go fair. I start to try to understand how I go take package this thing, make it look appealing and nice. Really. So if those people don't tell me, say, go look this thing again, I probably will still have been doing it the same way I was doing it back then. You know, that kind of thing. So, yeah, so one thing I believe and I tell people is so that the fact that you hit a wall is a beautiful thing. Nigeria right now, their recession is not matter of English. It is what it is. So, but I also believe that we're hitting that wall, and that in that wall there are opportunities. You know, that's the way. Maybe not the way where they console myself, say that which way one day we go make money from selling the Akamu. You know, maybe just they push, they go. You know, so the challenge is, number one, even though government they talk say they support small, medium, and whatever, sometimes it be like saying a lie.
That means finances is still the major issue.
So beyond finances, we're talking about power. We're talking about ironical supply chain. I get to power, make my cold room day, you know, cold to keep the product fresh. You understand? So beyond finances itself now, not come even they play the part in terms of what I'm talking about right now. So if I don't get power to keep my cold room, if the Akamu spoil inside the cold room, I get to throw them. I don't lose the money. We don't lose. You know, so it's a matter of everything, all join.
Because now when you talk about code, when we talk about power, we talk about even roads for inside Wibudo, Nigeria, that's still money because if you want make your Akamude code well, you go need to pay money for diesel or you pay money for one or other machinery.
You see, even without even telling you, you don't understand. You understand? So now you talk about diesel, you're already increasing your operational expenditure. You know, the small margin, now come more. There's just how much you can sell it. So I know if you wake up now and tell you, say, buy this like 5,000 naira. I mean, you just look at it like, Namishi they tell, pass. So there's still that cap of how much we can really sell it in whatever value that we brought into it. Then all these other small expenditure will come, they chop the small money where you're supposed to make, you know. So that one now one part. I can also tell you, so if we had done a plan and say we did 180 million Nigerians and we just want to sell to 1 million Nigerians, how many supermarkets get fridge, get generator to power? So it's also a challenge in terms of how many people we feel reach. You know, so it's all of that you now can't talk about the finances. But so either way, I guess that's a problem that whether big, small, medium, enterprise, faces. They now can't talk about this dollar price.
Dollar, they eat akamu. And they wonder because they make akamu inside Nigeria. So how dollar to actually
so that's it. That's the funny part. So maybe if to say they sell something where they import, straight up, it's easy for me to convince you to buy it for 5,000 because you go say
you the importer.
But at this point, they're going to tell you something be akamu.
I say people every time they go to hail me say, "Nah, you're lucky, your own better, you they do local, so nothing can say you for dollar." I think that's even like my greatest headache right now, like looking at you like, are you serious? You know, like, are you for real? This is where you talk now. Did you really mean it or you just want make I talk? Because we're in a recession. Either which way, it means that people's spending power don't they reduce. So if you were going to spend or buy 5 tubs of Akamu, you know, even if that 5 tubs now 2, 5 or 3,000, everybody they check in pocket. So even if you wanted it, you're gonna have to check, must I really take this Akamu today? Okay, no. So that one now don't they affect sales plan and sales analysis where you don't make, where you go, you know, break even point. I mean, that now goes to real core business administration and economics of business. But it's one reality. The second reality is, I know they produce the bowl, na plastic, na Akamu they produce.
So do you import the bowl?
I used to, but at that point, I started to produce locally, which is beautiful. But guess what? The people where they produce the bowl now don't shut down because, hey, they can't access Forex. They can't buy raw materials. They can't produce the bowls.
So you're back to importing.
Then you pass the bowl. If you don't ever buy our Akamu, you go see say we get film where we they use cover arm, you know, because I said earlier that we're selling hygiene. You understand? So in terms of transporting from point A to B, we get to make sure, say, you know, the product is preserved and protected. My sister, that film, now buy then they buy her.
All right, so why you talk about why you talk about plenty of the challenges? No, we just talk about this particular one. Now, 5 common business startup challenges and how to overcome them. Now, we're very, very privileged to get you inside the studio where you will actually talk about these challenges because you're not a person without the inside the business. Now, not just from Akamu, you don't start with
something else.
All those Italian products, them expensive, all those kind of things, them. So you go fit relate to some of them and advise people where they are there will actually involve themselves in their own business. Now, number one, they say finances. Now, they say when it comes to capital, the source, you need to actually pick who would they actually support your business. Now, this particular person they talk say it could make you get supporters, maybe from friends or families. In the case where you don't get friends and family to support you, let's say I get business idea, but my family don't get the money, the financial capability to support me, and my friends do not actually buy into my idea. How do I start up a business then?
So the philosophy is this: start small, dream big, and grow it. So I don't tell you now, I get all these plans for in my head, and they calculate, you know, how I go take sell to 1 million Nigerians. But I started by, how much did they sell the Mr. Biggs takeaway pack? I think they buy one whole roll for 1,200. I could just buy the quantity of corn where I need per that time. You understand? To do the production. I don't come, they talk machine. Waiting concern me with machine. That's what they do inside my kitchen. You understand what I'm trying to say? I get helper now. I get person they help me carry children. So we go just arrange. So which time we go soak the corn, which time we go grind them. And they go outside, go grind them. You understand? But that's why I take start too. So I think part of the problem is, as an entrepreneur, you're a visionary. So we get stuck in that dream. And that's our big dream. Without actually now looking at it realistically, like, okay, this big dream, which is what in business is called vision, right? So you have your 5-year strategy plan, your 5-year vision. But how we go take startup today, as opposed to where we are going. But the beautiful thing about getting or knowing where they go is that it will help every other thing where they do from now. So you focus on other things like brand equity, integrity. So if I tell you, say that yellow corn, you understand? So now, money. Friends,
Very important.
Very important. I start this business now with 200 naira. Because, I get BlackBerry. Not everybody get phone today. Everybody hold phone now. We use them, they do Facebook, they do Instagram. Is anybody charging you to post a picture? Nobody's charging you. So while you're focusing on marketing budget, and now there are other free tools like social media that you can use. Don't be social media, you take 5 me. I pay money. You know what I'm trying to say? Yes. So I'm just saying, basically, there are all these other cheaper ways of getting finance if your family and friends don't have money to support.
Yeah. You know, at the same time, I also feel, just like what she talk, when you start small, if you start and your products, they're good, you go find people they're willing to invest in you. Yeah. Now, people they're willing to patronize you once they're good. First of all, not to start small. Yeah, secondly, not the standard. Now, if they do anything, make sure you put your best inside. Not just do them, say, make I just do them. If they do them to the latter, so that when people see them, they go say, okay, this thing, to say money they inside, go actually they better than it be right now.
And let's just take number 2, while we talk about finance. Now, number 2, they say market research. Now, you need to actually research your market. Yes, you won't go into bid making, research on see what people don't actually do, if they don't actually succeed inside them or not. Market research. Now, the second challenge is where small businesses go actually face. You will want a business, and then to overcome them, you need to get your computer, you get your iPhone. But you as a person, so really, market research not be challenges too?
No, because see, how much do you want to make? How big do you want to play? Do you want to play within your immediate environment? Do I need to do market research to know, say, Betty and you say, I need to wear necklace?
But you know, say recently, for instance, Nigeria, they contemplate on passing the competition bill. Now, if they actually pass this competition bill, it means say nobody can sell above a particular product. If all of us they sell the same thing, it has to be within this particular range. So now you need to actually do research on anything where you actually do to know the pricing.
Where they talk, how you sound?
Other countries they do so you can.
So now everything other countries they do, we want they do.
Listen, there is what you call niche market. If I decide, say, my own bid, I want the source I'm from, God knows where, and give you quality. At the end of the day, what is business? It's about exchange. It's value for money. So if you think that the value of everything that they give you is a value of 10,000 naira necklace, buy it. Then, but you feel say you want, but it's about value. It's value creation. It has nothing to do with range. So if I decide now, say they do diamond necklaces and toppers. My sister, don't you know how much it is?
So there's no need for market research?
No, there is
No, I'm not saying. So what I'm saying is, of course, you have to look at your immediate environment. So if I know, say, first of all, if I want to think of a cam of 2,000 naira, I need to get Betty where they earn 10,000 naira to buy her. Will she have 2,000 naira to spend on only a camo? I go first do, exactly. That's the market research. Did I need a computer to do that analysis? you
and still on market research, before we go on a break shortly, when you decide, say, okay, you want to sell beads in a certain environment, you need to find out whether the people there actually like beads as compared to statement pieces.
That's the research, my darling.
Yeah,
yes, you don't need a system. You feel just they work out waiting and they wear for neck.
Yes.
But now it's easy with your computer. It's easy with your internet.
It's even a lie.
Really?
There is
don't make this thing hard for people because they go just feel say, okay, now you need computer. Use your eye and ask questions.
All right, let me just actually pass more break. Now, when we come back, 1 or 2 more tips on top of the challenges, and then we go enter USABC. Will they come back?
I do go there now. As I be now, my name is Gideon Okeke on the watch.
Talk.
Talk within our show.
On top Wazobia TV.
Wazobia.
Are they for Wazobia TV now?
Don't change that channel.
Hold on right there, not do yourself.
You suppose stay on that dial. No go anywhere. I beg, no change the channel.
Yeah. All right, welcome back. Now we'll talk about the challenges where you will want go inside business go actually face. You don't talk about finance. And I like the fact that you don't talk, say, you don't need like millions for you to start a business. Start small, dream big.
Yeah.
And we don't talk about market research. And according by you, sometimes you don't need to stress yourself too much on top market research. You don't have to.
As you dey grow, the research go dey bring it.
And maybe we just actually look this last one, pricing. You need to make sure, say, your pricing not today too much, it not today low, and it not day too high. So how you go take actually manage pricing?
I will give you an example, then you go use your hand, decipher how you want to figure that out.
All right.
Now, when I started selling the Akamu, I used to sell at a price higher than what I eventually started selling. Because I felt I was just selling Akamu. Which is why I said, wait till they sell another value. So if you want to price me with the woman waiting by the road, where no consent, I can tell you for free that, so part of the reason why people they buy their Akamu, they were saying that, at least finally I go buy yellow Akamu, go yellow. Nobody those ones I go buy, go be like, say things stay inside. It was until I started and know, say, the kind of water where we use, we get water treatment plant too, where we use the dual, Now, if you want make I sell my price of my Akamu, like the regular person on the street who's not, doing all of what I'm doing. Well, neither here nor there, but it's called economies of scale in terms of pricing. Okay. So I found out that what I need to do to keep my price reasonably, when I say reasonable, don't forget that either which way, person must either say you're too cost or you're too cheap. So you never really get to people that feel that, oh, you're doing it great or you're doing it right. So but reasonably competitive, it's about economies of scale. It's about volume. So rather than saying, I make 1,000 on top one person head, right? I can make 1 naira on top 1,000 people head. You understand? So now you go know. Now you know what you spend. Now you know what to look out for. So like I keep saying in my head, at the back of my head, is how many people do you want to reach and how do you reach this number of people? So for me was, if I sell to 1 million Nigerians this Akamu and they make 10 naira, that's 10 million naira.
Wow.
As opposed to trying to now sell it at 1,000 naira.
And sell too much and...
so...
I even believe say the more your prices, the lower your clients.
Not really. It depends on... It depends... It's
depends on your clients.
It's about core business,
okay.
Right? It's a lot of factors together. Now, I had thought when I was starting out that I was selling a mass market product. So I gave mass market pricing that was killing me. Guess what? There are people who, once they see the packaging of our Akamu, they don't even bother. They just in their head say, this one will not be for me. So even though we had done a pricing that would attract them, but in terms of value and perception, we were not for them.
I like that. I like that final one. Now, we could just take Usabisi.
All right, Usabisi. Maybe we start with number 1. Usabisi New York, they once call them New Amsterdam. Jama Usabisi.
I just they hear out.
So once upon a time, New York, now New Amsterdam. Number 2, it actually took Leonardo da Vinci 10 years to paint the Mona Lisa.
10 years?
10 years.
To paint that Mona Lisa picture.
The Mona Lisa.
See, I'm not surprised. As much as I do not know the number of years it takes, but I know that anything when a long term is more sustainable than something when a short term. Make I just make the money back and go.
And that's why till now we still actually appreciate the Mona Lisa painting.
Mona Lisa painting. Number 3, Usabisi rubber band. They last longer when you keep them for inside fridge. Why you go one keep rubber band inside fridge?
So I don't go cut.
No,
I don't understand.
She go understand that better.
Okay, really?
Yeah, because I don't know about fridge, but it's about if it's cold. It's, okay, so now this is science. It's about heat and the effect on rubber and the components, the bonding, the particle bondings in the rubber band. So if you put it in the fridge, it's colder. It keeps it better than covalent bonding. Make I not just go into.
I still there. Why I go and put rubber? But so you go open my fridge now, you go see rubber.
So that it go last longer.
Now, because if you leave out for heat, it melts.
My sister wanted they sell rubber band. If you put it
Appreciate
down, that
small
one.
things.
Sure.
Rubber don't increase on market now. Appreciate small things.
Increase about recession now.
Match is not increase.
Okay, so please put your rubber band inside the fridge. Last but not the least, you sabi say your most sensitive finger, now your index finger.
Really the most sensitive.
Try to campaign first. Then you go find out.
No, maybe we can find out for computer. If we do market research.
No way.
Come to think about it, you know when you go hospital for some certain tests, now this index finger then get
That
actually
they always.
poke.
Oh.
Come to think of
So
it.
it just might be. So now we
Will
start.
it really be because of sensitivity?
I didn't really
or
know.
nerve endings?
I didn't really
and
know.
the arteries and veins that are there.
It just occurred to me now. Say actually, when you go and they won't actually choke me, this particular
nobody
finger,
then
then they
chook
pick.
and now blood they won't take, so it has nothing to do with sensitivity. As opposed to, is that where you have
The
more
more
network
blood.
of arteries and
But if
veins?
you're more sensitive, maybe the blood will
Then
quick
it's-
come out faster than the other
Betting
places.
sensitivity get to do with blood may come out quick.
Oh, that's a doctor.
Yes,
That's very.
we have-
Just ask.
No, but
the
seriously,
doctor.
You know,
I did very
okay.
interested.
So now let me do my own sabi. You sabi say.
Okay.
You sabi say I've been doing medicine and surgery for 4 years.
Aha! When I say I know say a learned person, she they try to me anya.
Oh yes, but I not say that one not be my line because I hate blood, hate hospital, hate
So why you
everything.
venture into them in the first place?
You know now when people feel say you smart, say you do science inclined, okay, so now medicine, so that's it.
Oh yes. So what can happen?
So when I come fail the exam, the second MB, I go meet them for school, say, then put me for business administration. They say, nah, lie. Say,
God bless you.
I get
So they
to
put you
finish
for
from
business?
No, so I get to finish from medical school. So I graduated, with a degree in human physiology.
You know what thing happen?
Wetin?
Me say I won't be doctor, but when I fail chemistry in WAEC, I know say no be my college.
No, I pass them all.
no, I
She
know.
actually passed on.
No,
I just
A1, so I'll tell you
No, me I
everything
not even
about-
pass that one, so I just know.
Yeah, so
say
you
no be
see
my
when I'm talking
college.
to you about covalent
So after you
bonding
graduate to
and
human
all of that things.
physiology, you can't still go back to do
Wetin concern me?
like business or now there you just end school.
I just end them. So the only thing is, because I love knowledge, I love to learn.
Yeah.
So I just, lots of short
Short
courses,
courses.
communication strategy courses,
Yeah.
project management courses. I just finished from Lagos Business School with OMP.
Oh
You know,
my.
so
Oh my. So what's your dream for Bubes Food?
my dream
Yes, please.
for Bubes Foods is to build a brand that is well-known, sustainable, on everybody's table, period.
Okay, so one last question from me. If you go add any new product to Bubes Foods, what do you think about?
That one, a trade secret, won't make herself for Wazobia.
No, be trade. No, don't say how you
No,
want
just
add
talk.
No worry.
So we're expecting something very soon from Bubes Food.
Trust me.
Trust
Wait.
us.
That's why it's called Bubes Foods. So
Because
even
you got
the name is
plenty under.
indicative
Aha.
of what is to come.
Thank you so
Thank
much. So
you
you actually
very
enter
much.
inside the studio to talk more about Bubes Food, about Akamu. Now I don't see Akamu in a all different
And you're
light
willing
now.
to
So
try
you see
it.
what?
I just need like my milk, my sugar.
No, so let's go posh.
Okay,
For the
please.
posh ones, right?
All right.
So the target is think pap, think boobies. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So Akamu is cool.
Aha, for the cool cats.
You know what I mean? So
Thank you so much. Now, if you follow her on top Instagram, she did there.
we did there.
Just follow her on
find
top
us.
Instagram. Find her. You
The
go
same
surely,
way
surely
they
see
use
her.
computer and
Yeah.
things like that.
Use your tab. Very easy. Thank you so much.
Do your
Mrs.
market research.
Ijoma
Ndukwe.
Ndukwe. Yes,
Yes,
thank you very much. So you enter Service Studio, and we hope to get Akamu from you today.
That's not a problem.
I know it's not a problem. All right, thank you so much for you joining us today. Now, don't forget if you follow us here on top Twitter, we did that Talk Wazobia on top Facebook.
Talk-Wazobia TV.
As we they always they talk.
To talk no be bad thing, but making know what they talk about.
Ciao, ciao.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.